Hey everyone, my name is Hydro, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop recurring billing for your Minecraft RAM subscription or even cancel it if you would like. Alright, so firstly, what we want to do is actually click on this edit button, alright, and you want to go into your subscription setting and close your realm. Alright, so after you close your realm, what you want to do is head over to your favorite web browser, whatever you use, and yeah, I'll catch you guys there. All right, so now I'm on Chrome, and what you want to do is go ahead into Microsoft.com. All right, so just type in the link Microsoft.com, or you can just click the link in the description, the same thing. And what you want to do is go ahead and sign in by clicking on this. As you can see, I've already signed in, so I don't have to sign in. But anyway, so once you sign in, you should get this kind of layout. And what you want to do is head into my Microsoft account. And now it's going to open up a new page. As you guys can see, all my personal information is here. And over here, we have a subscriptions tab. All right. And as you guys can see, so remember, you have to be signed into the Microsoft account with which you purchased your realms. All right, so once you're here, you will see under subscriptions, you will see your realms plus subscription. If you don't, just head into all subscriptions, but since I can see, just click on manage. All right, so once you're here, just click on manage, and it's going to load up a new page. All right, so as you guys can see, I can once this page completely loads up, you guys can see I can either cancel subscription or I can turn off the recurring billing, whichever I would like. And all right, so I'm just going to turn off recurring billing and I'm going to show you guys. So once you do this, and now it's going to ask you to confirm, all right? So this is important. Don't just leave the page after you do this. So remember to confirm. And once you confirm, recurring billing will be turned off for realms. And once you do that, as you can see, you will get this message over here. You turned off recurring billing for your realms monthly subscription. And yeah, that's it, guys. So I can head back into subscription. I can head back into Minecraft and play the realm until it expires or ends. With that, we have come to a conclusion, guys. So if you have enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, goodbye.